has been very kind, sir. And I continue to hope that I will have their blessings in times to come. To the entire Rajya Sabha Secretariat, Shri P.C. Modi ji, the support staff, Deputy Chairman Harivansh ji, and panel of chairpersons, my extreme gratitude, sir. So I remember when I was suspended during one winter session, I was very angry. And Venkaiah Naidu ji was missing at that time. So I went to Harivansh ji and I had so many things to say to him. So I have only learnt after that, and I have learnt how to also ask for a humble apology for what I said at that time. So I take this moment to thank my children and my husband for being the wind beneath my wings, sir. So a word of thanks to the media, and since John Britas mentioned the parliamentary photographers, it is just a pause. I shall be back, and they will get busy as ever, sir. So the photographers, the beat reporters, I want to express them deep gratitude. And as much as they may miss me, I shall miss them too, sir. To the people of India, and the immense support I have received ever since my term did not get renewed, I have got lots of love and support across social media from across party lines. So that has been indeed extremely overwhelming, but also made me happy. I had the opportunity, sir, to participate in the passing of the historic Women's Reservation Bill. I could end up becoming one of the beneficiaries of returning to the Parliament, indeed through that reservation bill, sir. So again, I'm grateful for that opportunity as well. Sir, before I take my seat, I wish to read a few lines from my father's message to me when I completed my tenure, when he got to know I will not be renominated, which has also been the philosophy of my life, sir. This would be in Hindi. जीव गतिमान है और जड़ स्थिर है, जीव का धर्म ही गति है, चरैवती चरैवती इसका स्थान ऋग्वेद के ऐत्रेय ब्राह्मण में मिलेगा, जिसे भगवान बुद्ध ने करके दिखाया। अतः हम जहां कल तक खड़े थे, आज उससे अलग स्थान की ओर अग्रसर हों और पिछली जगह के प्रति ना मोह रखें, ना आसक्ति भाव। यह मोह और आसक्ति हमें हमारे लक्षित गंतव्य तक पहुंचने से रोकते हैं। यदि मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम रामराज तक ही ठहर जाते, तो रावण का नाश कैसे होता। मानवता के उद्धार से गतिशीलता का गहरा संबंध है, और गतिशीलता का त्याग से। इसके बारे में ईशावास्योपनिषद में लिखा है, तेन त्यक्तेन भुजितामागृधम कस्य स्वधम धनम, अर्थात यह जगत परमेश्वर का है। इसी भावना के साथ जो बिना किसी आसक्ति से आगे बढ़ता है, वही उसे पाता है। जो जीवन को इस प्रकार बरतता है, वही अपने उद्देश्यों को पवित्रता के साथ उसे पाता है। इस बारे में बड़ी सुंदर एक लोकायुक्ति भी है, सर। बहता पानी निर्मला, सुथरा होए सोए, रुका हुआ तो गंदा हो, जो पाला होए सोए। Flowing water is pure, stagnant water becomes dirty. इस प्रकार से हम हमारे साध्य और साधनों में पवित्रता रखते हुए आगे बढ़ें, जिसमें भगवान भी सहायक होंगे। सत्यमेव जयते। जय हिंद, सर।